Hi, thanks so much for choosing Shingle Shield. I'm excited to walk you through what's in the box, what you'll need, and how to get this on your roof the right way. So pretty soon your Shingle Shield bundle will show up at your door. Each bucket covers up to about 1,200 square feet, so it is a good idea to measure your roof ahead of time, and that way you will know if you've got enough for the whole job. You can also check out the installer's guide and all the technical information at vitalcoat.com. Before you get started, gather your tools. You'll want a sprayer, a ladder, some basic safety gear, and masking materials. And having everything ready up front makes this job way easier and also a whole lot safer. So when you're set, clear your roof, sweep off debris, and make sure it's dry. Mask off the nearby spots, then spray from the bottom up with smooth overlapping passes. Let that first coat dry and then hit it with a second for lasting protection. And if you need help, head to vitalcoat.com. Shingle Shield. Protect your roof, preserve your investment.